Hi everyone, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this subtle douyin inspired eyeliner look. I've been wearing this so much recently, so I want to share this type of eye makeup look. So first I'll be priming my face with my AP Startup Primer. I don't really have anything much to say about it. It does its job. For foundation today, I'll be using my Face Shop Ink Lasting Foundation. This foundation has been my favorite so far. And then I'll be applying one layer of this foundation. The only thing that I don't like about this foundation is that it oxidizes a little bit. Then moving on to eyes, using my Roman palette, I'm going to be using the shade Mellow Coral to apply this all over my eyes as the base shade. Then using the shade Mood Brown just to deepen up the eyes just a little bit more. The eyes are going to be really light and natural today. Then using the shade Deep Brownie, I'm going to be applying it where I would apply eyeliner. So this kind of preps where we are going to put our eyeliner. The eye makeup today, as you can tell, is really soft because I wanted the look to mainly focus on the eyeliner and lashes today. So yeah, moving on, I'll be using a pencil liner to line where I applied the darker shadow. And then mixing the two brown shades, I'm going to be making kind of like fake under bag eyes. And then using concealer to highlight the in-between space. I've been doing this look so often lately. It's so cute on the eyes. Then using my glittering eye stick, I will be applying this on the inner corners to lighten up the eyes. And then I will be curling my top and bottom lashes. Next, for mascara, I will be using brown mascara. This is my favorite brown mascara, the Etude House Curl Fix Mascara in brown. Using pencil liner again, I will be tightlining my upper lash line. Then using these individual false eyelashes, these are in the color brown. I'm going to be creating kind of like manga lashes. It's really cute and really natural. It's just super time consuming. Make sure to give yourself enough time to do this. It just takes really long to get them where you exactly want them to be. And you also have to wait for the glue to be tacky enough so it could grab onto your lashes. After a good amount of minutes, I completed the lashes. As you can see, they look super natural and super cute. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be using my brown eyeliner pen. I will be creating false lower lashes, and I am going to be lining my lower lash as well. This is kind of tricky just because like it can get messy, so I suggest practicing it. Then I will also be drawing a winged liner on the top. And then you are going to be trying to connect the wing liner on the bottom to the top. This effect just kind of gives those really dolly, cute, bigger eye kind of look. And then I'll be finishing off with tightlining a little bit more and my false beauty marks on the side. Then going in with my foundation again, I'm going to be applying another layer just to touch up. Don't forget to apply it to the neck as well. Then I'll be using my usual Tarte Clay Face palette, and I'm going to be just bronzing and contouring my face, so my cheeks, my jaw. And my nose as well. I I never skip this step because I just think it just makes your face look super snatched and super good, you know? That's just my opinion though. Then using some concealer, I'm going to be applying the highlight areas on my nose, so the tip of my nose and the bridge. Moving on to lips, I'll be using my ColourPop liner in BFF. This is such a natural, pretty pink, cute liner. After lining my lips, I'll be using my Peri Para lip tint in Cinnamon Nude. I love this color so far. And then I'll be finishing off with my NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. I will also be applying false beauty marks around my face, just a little. And then using the same lip tint, I'm going to be using it as blush. I love how versatile Peri Para's lip tints are. So I apply it on the back of my hand and then I applied it to my cheeks. So I'm mainly focusing on the top area of my cheeks, really close to under my eyes as well. I'm also applying it to my nose and chin as well. And to set that blush, I'm using the Sam single blusher in Mandarin Kiss just to apply the blush, where I applied the lip tint. Then using my Charlotte Tilbury palette, I'm going to be highlighting my nose and cheeks. And then finishing off with Milk Cosmetics setting spray. I love the setting spray. It is so good. And that completes the look. So thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this eye look and try it out as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!